Okay, welcome. I'm going to show you how to use Crunchit and how to upload a data set that's associated with a particular problem. So first of all, go to Sapling, and I've already logged into Sapling, and I've logged in, and this is what you should see as a student. Notice the homework is here. Now go to Crunchit. Click on Crunchit, and you will see, of course, the Crunchit window, the dialog. The next thing you should do is you should look to File, see the file, and click in in this case, load from the basic practice of statistics. Now notice you could browse or you could do something else, but here let's load to the basic practice of statistics and then go to chapter. Now in the chapter you have various examples here. And then you also have various tables that correspond to the tables in the book. And I did not want that. And now let's go ahead and go to, in this case, what I'm going to assign for your quiz is exercise 25. Exercise 25, click on that, and you get the data set for the exercise that I assigned. Now, the very first thing you should do, since it's by the way, the question is about car preferences. The variable is color. The values are white, black, silver, gray, red, beige, brown, blue. And then the next, and these are the percent that choose each one of these. And since this is not complete, to make this a complete set of things, you need to add a none of the above or other color. And first of all, the thing you got to do is you look at that and you go here and what you need to do is you need to add a particular you need to add a row. So you want to edit, insert, go to insert right here, see where it says insert, and go to row. So you now have that. And then you can double click that and you might say other. Let's say OTHER. And I'm going to put in a wrong number here. You should figure out the correct number, but understand this number I'm about to put in here is deliberately wrong, but it can be, something like that. All right. So now you have that. Now the exercise is to make an appropriate chart. Well, the exercise is what it says on on exercise 25. Now let's go ahead and do a bar graph. And and you're going to be doing this, making a bar graph and making a pie chart. Now, if you want to go ahead and say make a bar chart, remember this is summarized data because the individuals are the customers, and the customers are not reported, but the number of times the customers choose the value white is reported. So these are the values. This is the number of time that value is obtained. So this would be summarized data. The label would be color. The heights would be popular. And go ahead and calculate. And there's your bar graph. Now let's try to do a pie chart. Okay. And there's your pie chart, and you can see these things are arranged. It sure looks like in alphabetical order. Now, let's go ahead and try to do a pie chart. So you go to graphics, go down here, pie chart, summarize data, click on color for the labels, the sizes are popular. Now keep in mind, a render, this is incorrect, and there's your pie chart. And notice they are like this. Now, what you can do is you can take a screenshot of each and put that in your submission, or you can do a file export And you can, you can do something like that. And that the file export gives you something, a spreadsheet like this. And you can see this thing is exported as an Excel file. Now what you're exporting is a data file right there. To show me these, what you'd have to do is you'd have to do a screenshot of each one if that's required. So anyway, that's how you do that's how you use Crunchit to create a bar chart and a pie chart. And that's how you do the question number 6 on the quiz.